Crayon was first created in order to split objects by materials, but since then I've been using it a lot more for other workflows. And that led to some more features, and today I have a new feature, or kind of an extension of a previous feature, which is being able to select faces by color. So here I have an object. I'm going to go into its edit mode, select any of the faces with the color I want to get. I hit this select same color, and now I'm back in that object with only those faces selected. So this could be useful if you want to have track some kind of vertex groups and have them visually separated, and have that separate from the typical vertex grouping. I find it pretty useful, and it was actually a feature that was requested. So speaking of requested features, I'm working on a 2.0 version of Crayon. It will be weight painting, vertex painting, going both directions, so everything is going to get reworked. I'm going to keep in mind all of the original functionality, but if you have any requests for what's going to go into it, then put them in at the Discord link below in the description. Thanks.